The Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement (Hanm) today, the 28th of March 2022, had threatened to take action on its own if the government or the Khasi Autonomous District Council fails to do anything against an outsider who carries on the business of stone extraction for the construction of personal road for self-convenience. Speaking to media persons today, the General Secretary of the Hanm Northern Border, John Khongsit, informed that the organization had received a complaint letter from villagers of Meghalaya under Khanapara police station that one Abhinav Surekha has been carrying out extraction and transportation of stone to Assam without seeking any permission or no objection certificate either from the villagers or from any concerned authorities. He further informed that the process of stone extraction involves the use of a bomb of high range which shakes the entire village and even the houses, which the villagers feel is not safe for them. On being asked why there has been no complaints earlier, Khongsit replied that the villagers did not dare do so because they fear of any consequences that may be used against them.
Na iway brew iba kerteng Martin M sangma bai dei nongsong snong jong kasnong maikuli Khanapara badon habodor jong ka khapur Assam te niyo khobor ba udon uwe brew ba kerteng Abhinav Surekha ba penyaj ka parmau stone mining blasting business ba ule bor uthombor ya ki nongsong snong ba ya ki Jakaputa satusha Maikuli Khanapara te habangi okubor kumta tengi nakliang kaseng Hanm Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement ni lalit no senyang bat ki dekot member jungi bat ni lalit kundu ya ki brusnong bat ni lalit inquiry sakitu ki parmau di crusher machine bat ni lab bagade mengisem ya jing sisa ka jing komplain kelong ba Abhinav Surekha upenya ya ka quarry daga jing blasting belum daw bom belum powerful hadu banda khi isnong ki thau bat kalang ro jing ma na benta ki khana khulung ba yat sharum chaneng ba mare sharum chaneng ba ru khamtam ya ki jing kisem badan hagato isnong da por balik blasting ya to parmau ka penkilut baro ya to kasnong ka thau hadu banda khi ka jing kisem bat kalang ro jing ma ya ki brew nong song snong sakato kasnong te ki brew badan hang to kidap takamensim balong septing.
The president of the Hanm central body, Lamprang Kharbani, informed that based on the complaint they had received from the Land Protection Cell, the Hanm have written a letter to the Chief Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council with a copy to Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Pinsong and also to the Minister of Land Revenue, Government of Meghalaya. He also informed that if the government or the KHADC fails to react to the complaints, the organization would meet Abhinav Surekha as a measure to protect indigenous land, the tribe and the state as a whole.
Siap tunggu tak penreu. One ban sna private road sarkan dah siap tunggu jalan Meghalaya. Tiga seng kan dah bersai bal raja baka sarkar. Lane ki bor badai pek kum kadis konsil. Kimla ban let stop kimla let be eu no barjala ka seng kan sahyar. Bat kan raja no kan no kadoro ngintep. Ki samat yel liwet kita ki GSB rumelai ngi sawan rak wan bread yang seketiat kum pengi wan bread mo pot mana kanai. Namar ngimdai ban ailat ya kim kini kam buitu man kapor jong dai ki barjala kam tang na ki breon po asam. Teka ngikermen ba u DTCM u menteri berepek ya land and revenue makermen sela kumjuru u CM jong ka Khasi Autonomous Council bang hapsim khia ya ne kamba kamsam jong chen rel lemda kamta ta seng kamron jimap awada poi pot ba ka Meghalaya Assam kini susi ro mele na banta ka kenda siap kam le namar ba yo bor ne yo hukum ne manoba ai authority yu manoba ai nusi yu manoba ai bor yu wan sna private road ai private road saka kenda ko siap tung jala Meghalaya manoba ai bor yu wan kit ikima ko siap naka jala Meghalaya hante po mai khuli without permission without NOC namar ka pen isai kedar ba umyo NOC no balai ada uyo NOC balai ka Shillong ko complain sa kaseng ne mano ba dai pet ne mano te bor balor benai bor kaseng kan sawat benya kalau kalap kaseng kan alat kino no